Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for August 27th, 2020. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a warm front that is lifting through the region this morning, and it's producing some scattered showers and a few embedded thunderstorms. It already moved through much of the Poconos, northern and central New Jersey earlier this morning, and the New York City metro. Now the warm front is lifting up through the Hudson River Valley, Connecticut, and Long Island. Winds ahead of the warm front are from the east, but they're veering quickly to the southwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s to the east of the warm front, but to the south and west of the warm front, we have southwesterly winds, clearing skies, and temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to mid 70s, quickly rising up towards the upper 70s down towards southern New Jersey as warm tropical air invades the region once again. Now, once this warm front lifts northward, we're going to be in a very tropical and unstable environment, and that's going to open up the threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms, especially over the northern interior and the New York City metro. We're going to take a look at our latest surface map. There's our warm front. Now, it's going to end up somewhere around here by the time we get to the afternoon hours. And what we're going to see are showers and thunderstorms to develop around the Mohawk River Valley and then drop south towards the New York City metro. That's going to lead to the threat for some thunderstorms capable of some torrential downpours, frequent vivid lightning, hail, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and yeah, even an isolated tornado. The best threat, I think, is going to be towards the Mohawk River Valley and towards the Capital District, Albany. However, as these thunderstorms drop south and we get what's called outflow boundaries, that's going to open up the threat for locations around the New York City metro and towards the Poconos. For the Philadelphia metro, you're still at threat for isolated severe thunderstorms, but the threat is not as high as locations further to your north. And take a look at the radar. You can see that warm front continuing to lift to the north and east, with the showers and thunderstorms associated with it diving to the southeast. On our latest infrared satellite picture, a lot going on here. Here's our warm front that's lifting northward. Again, no cold front yet. That's still back here. Down here, well, that's Hurricane Laura, which made landfall last night as a Category 4 hurricane with winds of 150 miles per hour. It is now weakened down to 105 miles per hour winds as a Category 2 hurricane. Still very strong, very dangerous over Louisiana. It continues to lift up to the north and will eventually weaken into a tropical storm over Arkansas later on this evening, and then become a remnant low over the Tennessee River Valley, becoming a threat for heavy rainfall by the time we get to this weekend for our neck of the woods, basically Saturday. Now, here is our visible satellite picture. Notice the sun is rising. Notice the haze. Guess what that is? That is the residual smoke from the fires over the western United States, specifically around California. So what happens is that the smoke from those fires got up into the polar jet stream, and it got transported all the way over here. So a little bit hazy out there, especially as you look up higher in the sky. So we got a little bit of a hazy sun out there. With the increasing humidity, here's our warm front and cloud cover over the New York City metro and off towards southern New England. This will continue to lift to the north and east, and as we get more sun, the atmosphere will destabilize, and that's going to open up the threat for thunderstorms. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Watch out for some isolated, strong to severe thunderstorms, especially towards the New York City metro. Temperatures will rise into the upper 80s to lower 90s with high levels of humidity, so definitely be prepared for that. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, our warm front stalls out and we get these waves of low pressure moving along it. So that's going to open up the threat for some fog, a few isolated showers here and there, and the front is slowly going to sag south as we head into tomorrow morning. Low temperatures tomorrow range from the upper 60s to mid 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, the frontal boundary will waver north and south, basically around the Hudson River Valley and Connecticut. So it's going to open up the threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, muggy conditions with high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. A few lower 90s possible down towards, let's say, Wildwood and southern New Jersey. On Saturday, the remnants of Laura and this cold front will be moving through, with periods of moderate to heavy rainfall in the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures on Saturday range from the lower to mid 70s for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s for highs. On Sunday, everything clears out. Canadian high pressure builds in with very comfortable weather conditions. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, possibly a few upper 50s up towards the Poconos. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. On Monday, high pressure remains in control with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Low temperatures will range from the upper 40s to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. On Tuesday and Wednesday, a warm front will approach the region but doesn't move through. Watch out for some isolated showers, variable cloud cover. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. High temperatures in the mid 70s to lower 80s. And then on Thursday, that warm front breaks through with a few isolated thunderstorms possible and much muggier conditions. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. High temperatures in the mid 80s to lower 90s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.